Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, as I'm sure you're aware, it was a train wreck for the markets today, down quite a bit, and the levels of support that I thought kind of looked goofy to talk about, both of them were actually broken, including this level all the way down here at 305. I mean, to think that even came into play today really just shows how nasty of a day it was. But with all that being said, updates here need to be made. And I'm going to go ahead and do a couple little bits of house cleaning, just get rid of those lines. Sure, those levels still do pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. But what I'm going to do here is actually adjust this a little bit up now that we have more data. So in the very near term going forward, right around 305.65 is going to be that first key level of resistance where if there's any hope at all, if there's any sort of genuine conversation about some kind of reversal and bounce to the upside, the price needs to at least get above there. Now, just because the price breaks above that red line does not mean that a reversal is coming and it's going back up to 314. My point here is that really nobody should even be talking about a reversal at all until the price can first prove itself in the near term a little bit. And again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined as getting up above and staying above 305.65. So watch that as that main near-term level of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing really fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact of, the bleeding stopped on several occasions right around 303. So for me personally, 303 is that main level of support I'm watching. No such thing as a guarantee, but if the price works itself down to 303, and then key dynamic here, a high volume break of that level, I don't think it would be shocking at all to see the price get down to 302, if not even lower than that. Potentially even go down below 300 because there's a lot of downwards pressure right now. And if anything for you, pattern players out there, pretty much all today gave us was what is known as a bear flag, which is the bearish pattern. Now, just because something's bearish doesn't mean the price is for sure going down. But like I said, I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price then get continuation, which could potentially take it down below 300. So we'll see what happens with it on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.